With the growing drive for green building development, smart glass offers a better solution for controlling privacy, solar heat gain, glare, and sunlight, in comparison to the installation of permanently tinted glass or blinds. Furthermore, it is helpful for the productivity improvement, health, and energy efficiency, besides offering improved comfort, security, and safety, as well as aesthetic design with minimalism. Our switchable glass can be manufactured from colors to personalized patterns so that the opaque mode displays a specific color and/or pattern to suit your project. It also provides the function of canvas for rear-front projection, which can be customized so that when the opaque mode is selected, a projector can display images on the glass which are visible from both sides.